Hey boys and girls, I'm going to go ahead and show you where you can find your assignment for social studies this week. This week you're getting into your next module. So we're going to start by going into the social studies course. We are looking at the HCS supplemental resources. So it's that bottom folder. And we finished module 3, federal expansion. So now we're looking at module 4, America as a world leader. And this week you're starting with 4.1 time period overview. When you open that folder, you'll see the lesson right here. I'm going to click on that. And in this lesson, this is our next unit's just a time period overview for you to look at photographs and for you to look at some vocabulary. So it says in this module, you will learn about the economic, political, and social effects of World War II and its aftermath from the 1930s and 1950s. On the United States and South Carolina. You'll work as a historian as you discover the causes and effects of World War II. When historians work, they inquire or ask questions about the people, places, and events of a certain time period. Then they work to find the answers. Get ready to become a World War II historian. So then it's broken down into 2 steps. For step 1, you're going to study the module 4 photo collection. As you analyze the photographs from the time period, think about the things you may want to learn more about. So you're going to open up that module 4 photo collection, and it's a document that has a ton of different pictures from this time period. So take some time, look at each of these pictures, maybe try to figure out what these pictures are showing. There's quite a few on here. All from this time period of World War II, okay? So when you look at the pictures, boys and girls, let me just go back to the lesson. There is an assignment for you to complete after you look at the pictures. And your assignment here, it says write 2 questions that you want to know more about on your assignment sheet, which is attached below. So I'm going to go and get the assessment, 4.1 assessment. It's under attachments. I'll open that up. And step 1, write 2 questions that you want to know more about based on the photo collection. So you would just, in this box, number 1, write a question that you're still wondering about. And then number 2, you write number 2, write another question that you're wondering about from looking at the photos. Okay, so that's step 1. Step 2, to prepare you for your study of this time period, you will have a tool to help you. Review the Module 4 vocabulary list. This list right here, and I'm going to open it up in just a second. You might want to screenshot each of the pages to refer back to it as you work through the lessons in this module. It's going to help you better understand the key terms and concepts and events that happened during this time period. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the vocabulary list. And here you've got your vocabulary word, part of speech, the definition, some related words, and then it's used in a sentence here. So they're all different vocabulary words that come from this unit or come from this time period. And what I would do is I would either print this out or screenshot each page. Okay, it's quite a few pages. But I would definitely keep this as a source because it's something that you can go back to as you go through the unit and refer to these important words. Use it as a reference. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the lesson. And there is an assignment that goes along with the vocabulary words. It's under step 2. Review the Module 4 vocabulary list and pick 3 words that you most want to learn about. Put them on your assignment sheet, which is attached below. It's that same assignment sheet that we did for number 1. So I'm going to go back to that. Step 2, you're writing 3 vocabulary words that you would like to learn more about in Module 4. You'll put those in the boxes. You can just number them 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So this assignment is very short, and that is because this is just an introduction to our new unit, which is Unit 4 or Module 4, which is going to be mostly on World War II. When you're done with that 4.1 assessment, you'll click on the blue plus button that's going to be on your screen to submit your work.